know why I've been blue. Prayed each night for someone exactly like you. Why should we spend money on a show or two? No one does those love scenes exactly like you. You make me feel so grand. I want to give the world to you. You help me understand every foolish little dream I'm dreaming, scheme I'm scheming. Now I know why Mama taught me to be true. She meant me for someone exactly like Dan Connie. On the alto saxophone. Well, I did each night for someone just exactly like you, pretty baby. Well, no one does those love scenes exactly like you. You make me feel so grand. I want to give the whole darn world to you. You help me understand every foolish little dream I'm dreaming, scheme I'm scheming. Now I know why Mama taught me to be true. She meant me for someone exactly like you. Yes, exactly like you. Exactly like you. Folks, here's a meteorological song. Well, every time it rains, pennies from heaven.
Pennies from heaven!
Don't you know each cloud contains pennies from heaven? Wow.
Pennies from heaven!
You'll find your fortune falling all over town. Be sure that your umbrella is upside down. Trade them for a package of sunshine and flowers. If you want the things you love, you must have showers. So if you hear a thunder, don't run under a tree, 'cause it's pennies from heaven for you and me. Watch out! You'll find your fortune falling all over the town. Be sure that your umbrella is upside down. Trade them for a package of sunshine and flowers. If you want the things you love, you must have showers. So if you hear it thunder, don't run under a tree, 'cause it's pennies from heaven. I said pennies from heaven. Pennies from heaven for you and me. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. We are the Tim Gill All-Stars. I am Tim Gill, and those are the All-Stars. That should clear up any confusion that might arise during the course of the evening. You heard on that tune on the tenor saxophone and the clarinet and the kazoo, the lovely Jeremy Lappet on the tenor saxophone. And on our first number, exactly like you heard from Mr. Excitement himself, Dan Kaneyuki. That's right. Thank you, thank you. We're going to do a wonderful old tune that was recorded so well by Mr. Nat King Cole. This is called Walkin' My Baby Back Home. Gee, it's great after being out late, walking my baby back home, arm in arm, over meadow and farm, walking my baby back home. We roll along, arm in eyes in a song, or I'm reciting a poem. Hours roll by and they give us the eye, walking my baby back home. We stop for a while, she gives me a smile and snuggles her head on my chest. We start into pet, and that's when I get her talcum all over my vest. After I kinda straighten my tie, she's got to borrow my coat. One kiss, then I continue again, walking my baby back home. Afraid of the dark, so I have to park outside of her door till it's light. She says if I try to kiss her, she'd cry. I'd dry her tears all through the night. Hand in hand to a barbecue stand, right from her doorway we roam. Eat and then I continue again, walking my baby, talking my baby, loving my baby. I don't mean maybe, walking my baby back home. There you go. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. That was walking my baby back home because I ran out of gas. It was terrible. Never again. Yeah, I had a little thing installed on the dashboard, lets me know when I run out. So that's going to be good. We are going to do a great old Count Basie number called Corner Pocket. Here we go. Jeremy Lappet on the tenor saxophone. Jeremy Lappet on the tenor saxophone. Ted Case on the piano. Thank you very much. I know what you're thinking. You look at Ted Case, I know what you're thinking. That's a handsome man. That man looks like he knows some Boogie Woogie piano. I'll say, yeah. The look of confidence, years of confidence on his face. We're gonna do a great old Boogie Woogie tune originally recorded by some guy. It's called the Choo Choo Chaboogie. The station with the pack on my back. I died of temptation in the back of a hack. I love to hear the rhythm of the clickety-clack and hear the lonesome whistle, see the smoke from the stack. Pal around the Democratic fella's named Mac. Will take me right back to the track. Jack, toot toot, toot toot, teboogie, woo woo, woo woo, teboogie, toot toot, toot toot, teboogie, take me right back to the track. Jack. Yes. Well, you reach your destination, but alas, no lack. You need some compensation to get back in the black. You take up morning paper from the top of the rack and read the situation from the front to the back. The only doubt that's open needs a man with a knack. Put it right back in the rack. Tack, toot toot, toot toot, teboogie, woo woo, woo woo, teboogie, toot toot. Toot toot teboogie, take me right back to the track. Track. Settle down by the railroad track and live the life of Raleigh in a beaten down shack, so I can hear the whistle when I'm beating through the crack and see the train rolling when it's on the jack. I just love the rhythm of the clickety clack. Will take me right back to the track. Jack, toot toot, toot toot, teboogie, woo woo, woo woo, teboogie, toot toot, toot toot to boogie. Take me right back to the track. Thank you very much. The Choo 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 Boogie, featuring Ted Case on his Boogie Woogie amazingness. Now, ladies and gentlemen, all things are not boogie and swing with the Tim Gill All-Stars. No, we like to channel our fiery Latin side. Yes, we do indeed. We have only one Latin heartthrob in the band, and it's me. Good, okay, good. That's a good reception for that one. Yeah. We're gonna do a great old tune called You and the Night and the Music and Nobody Else as a cha-cha-cha. That's right, in the Tim Gill All-Stars, you get the third cha for free. Here we go. Well, you and the night and the music fill me with flaming desire, setting my being completely on fire. You and the night and the music thrill me, but will we be one after the night and the music are done? Until that pale light of dawning and daylight, our hearts will be throbbing guitars. Morning may come without warning and take away the stars. Well, if we must live for the moment, love till that moment is through. After the night and the music die, will I have you? Yuki. Oh, tell the bird we must live for the moment. Love till that moment is through. After the night and the music die, will I you and the night and the music.
Say, folks, it's the Tim Gill All-Stars Big Band. What do you think? All right, you can continue playing. Say, folks, we've got some very special birthdays in the house tonight. And I'd like to mention you, if you're having a birthday tonight here at the Cicada Club, a special birthday greeting to Kat, Karen, Matthew, there, very good. Where Matthew's over there. Matthew. Annetta, who's sitting over there, and she's only 16 years old, ladies and gentlemen. But she's lived a very hard life, apparently, because she's actually 98, folks. 98 years old. She told me she was 16, and I believed her. What do I know? Thank you. Also in the house tonight having a birthday, Christina. Thank you, Christina, and your fan club. Andrea. And also we have someone special sitting in this table back there. Folks, you may be wondering why the Cicada Club was closed yesterday on a Saturday night of all nights. It's because we had a very special party. Yes, Elisa, sitting back there, hiding behind the menu, was actually married here at the Cicada Club last night. Congratulations. And this actual band played at her wedding, so she just can't get enough of the Tim Gill All-Stars Big Band. Twice in a row. But I'll bet tonight was a little less expensive than last night to come in and see the band, yes. So folks, if it's your birthday, here's something very special from the Tim Gill All-Stars Big Band.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to everybody. Happy birthday to all of you guys.
Well done, sir. And of course, of those folks watching the broadcast tonight, if it's your birthday and you're watching, well, we wish you a happy birthday as well, wherever you may be around the world. And of course, if there are any folks in the audience here at the Cicada Club who had a birthday that I didn't mention, happy birthday to you, and whatever it is, we'll be happy to wish you a happy birthday again, and Tim Gill will personally come to your house tonight and sing happy birthday to you. He promised me he would. But now, ladies and gentlemen, the dance floor is open for Tim Gill and his All-Stars Big Band.
Thank you, Mr. DeMille. Indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my distinct honor, my distinct pleasure, my distinct enjoyment to bring up the amazing, the wonderful, the fabulous, the incomparable, the incompetent, the incontinent, the undescribable, the unexpected, the nice, sorry, it's not any of you guys. It's not you guys. It's not. It's actually Ben Devitt. Sorry, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, Ben Devitt is here with his trombone up at the front of the band. Ben is amazing. I cannot say enough good things about Ben. Ben, he plays the trombone. Yeah, he plays the trombone. Yeah, all right. So he and I are going to do a duet. It's called Just Squeeze Me. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's Ben Devitt, ladies and gentlemen. Devitt, his trombone, his plunger mute, his tuxedo. Thank you so much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do a song. This song is about love. That's right. It's a love song. The subject of the song is love. It's a lovely song about love. This song is called Love. Yeah, it's the truth. Where is Cynthia? We failed to mention Cynthia's birthday is today. Happy birthday, Cynthia. Cynthia, we dedicate this song of love to Cynthia, my longtime friend, Cynthia. This song is going to feature Phil Moore Fillmore is available for birthdays. Solo strolling baritone saxophone for all your fun times. Here we go. This is called Love. 1, 2, 1, 2. L is for the way you look, wow, at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary, and E is even more than anyone that you adore. And love is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love was meant for me and you. Baby, L is for the way you look, looking at me. Yes, O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary, and E is even more than anyone that you adore. I can love all that I can give to you. Yes, love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it, baby. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love was meant for me and you. Yeah, baby, love was meant for me and you. Thank you so much, folks. Happy birthday, Cynthia. That was Love. It's a song about love. I feel the love. I am the love. Thank you. We're going to do, this is a good old good one. This was recorded by Benny Goodman and arranged by Fletcher Henderson and written by Jelly Bowl Morton. This is what the kids are listening to nowadays. You got to trust me. This is called the King Porter Stomp. Thank you so much. A hand for our brave dancing public, ladies and gentlemen. They may never walk again. Thank you. Well, that was the King Porter Stomp, featuring Dan Kanayuki, Mr. Excitement himself on the alto saxophone. Mr. Ben Devitt on the slide trombone, your friend and mine. Thank you. We'd like to do now Irving Berlin's Blue Skies. One, two, three. Blue skies smiling at me, nothing but blue skies do I see. No, 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 bluebirds singing a song, nothing but bluebirds all day long. Hey, well, I never saw the sun shining so bright, never saw things going oh so right. Noticing the days hurrying by when you're in love. My, how they fly, oh blue days, all of them gone. Nothing but blue skies from now on. Dan Kanayuki. Hey, well, I never saw the sun shining so bright, never saw things going on so right. Noticing the days hurrying by when you're in love. My, how they fly, oh blue days. All of them gone. Nothing but blue skies, nothing but blue skies, nothing but every blue skies from now on. Thank you very much, Blue Skies. Blue Skies, once again, Mr. Excitement. How more exciting can you get than Dan Kanayuki? He even looks exciting. That's it, right. That's his excited face. We're going to slow it down a little bit, ladies and gentlemen, and we're going to play a wonderful bossa nova for you. Wonderful in my own estimation. It was written by a wonderful arranger, someone very near and dear to my heart. Me. So, this is East of the Sun, West of the Moon. East of the sun and west of the moon, we'll build a dream house of love, dear, close to the sun in the day, near to the moon at night. We'll live life in a lovely way, living on love and pale moonlight, just you and I, forever and a day. Love will not die, we'll keep it that way. Up among the stars we'll find a harmony of life to a lovely tune. east of the sun and west of the moon, dear. East of the sun, west of the moon. East of the sun and west of the moon, we'll build a dream house of love, dear. Close to the sun in the day, near to the moon at night. We'll live life in a lovely way, living on love and pale moonlight, just you and I, forever and a day. Love will not die, we'll keep it that way. Well, up among those stars we'll find a harmony of life to a lovely tune, east of the sun and west of the moon, dear. East of the sun, west of the moon, west of the moon, west of the moon. Thank you very much. East of the sun, west of the moon, left on Pico.
No, but it's the original arrangement. Yeah, thank you.
Here's a good old good one. This is by Count Basie. This is called the Jive at 5.
Trombone solo, 2 choruses, background is on the second side. So you want to do that? 1, 2, 1.
Ben Devitt on the trombone. Thank you very much. The amazing Ben Devitt on his slide trombone. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to leave you with one more before we take a very short break. Wonderful Cole Porter tune called You'd Be So Nice to Come Home To. You'd be so nice to come home to. You'd be so nice by the fire, while a breeze on high sang a lullaby. You'd be all that I could desire, under stars chilled by the winter, under an August moon burning above. You'd be so nice, you'd be paradise to come home to and love. The wonderful Ted Case on the piano. So nice to come home to. You'd be so nice by that fire, while that breeze on high sang a lullaby. You'd be all that I could desire, under stars chilled by that winter, August moon burning above. You'd be so nice, you'd be paradise